Welcome to Clever Mum. Rainy days can often leave parents scrambling for ways to keep kids entertained, but today we're showing you how to transform those dreary hours into vibrant, screen-free experiences. Whether you're nurturing their creativity, keeping them active, or teaching them new skills, these activities are as engaging as they are fun. Let's dive into some creative ideas. 1. Indoor scavenger hunts, 5 minutes. Scavenger hunts are perfect for channeling your kids' energy into something fun and intellectually stimulating. Start by creating a simple list of 10 items they can find around the house. Things like a red sock, a spoon, or even a favorite book. To make it more educational, add a twist. Ask them to describe the object's use or spell its name once they've found it. You can also customize it by having a theme like kitchen objects or things that start with the letter B. Encourage sibling teamwork or friendly competition to keep them engaged. This activity requires little preparation but guarantees excitement and activity. 2. DIY craft station, 6 minutes. Unleash your kids' creativity by setting up a simple craft station with supplies you already have at home. Gather paper, markers, glue, scissors, KidSafe, and any random household materials like bottle caps or cardboard boxes. If your kids need a bit more structure, consider taking on themed projects. Create greeting cards, paint rocks, or make origami animals. Feeling extra adventurous? I'll walk you through making homemade Play-Dough with just flour, salt, water, and food coloring. It's a science experiment and craft activity rolled into one. Showcasing their masterpieces afterward gives them extra motivation and pride in their work. 3. Yoga or stretching fun, 4 minutes. Rainy days can be the perfect moment to slow down and relax with your kids. Introduce them to the wonderful world of yoga with easy and playful poses like tree pose, cat-cow stretch, or child's pose. These not only keep their bodies moving but also promote calm and mindfulness. Turn this into a bonding experience by doing the poses alongside your kids. Don't worry about perfection, just have fun together. You could even incorporate a story into the sequence. For example, pretend to grow like a tree or chase a butterfly. This calming activity is especially helpful after a high-energy game or as a way to unwind before nap time. Building blanket forts. Encourage your kids to gather sheets, blankets, pillows, and maybe even fairy lights. Lay some ground rules to keep things safe, like not using bookshelves or heavy furniture. Once their fortress is complete, the fun doesn't stop there. Suggest reading books or storytelling inside their cozy retreat, or go the extra mile by pretending it's a rocket ship or a pirate ship exploring uncharted lands. Their imaginations will run wild, and the process of designing and building the fort provides hours of entertainment. 5. Cooking together, 5 minutes. Turn your kitchen into a playful teaching space by cooking or baking together. Stick with simple, hands-on recipes like assembling trail mix, creating mini pizzas, or making no-bake cookies. Let kids measure ingredients, mix, and even decorate their creations. Not only will they enjoy eating their snacks, but they'll also learn valuable life skills like following instructions, measuring, and teamwork. Remember, the messier the kitchen gets, the more fun they're probably having. Embrace it. Enjoy the laughs along the way. And there you have it. 5 easy and screen-free activities to turn rainy days from drab to fab. These ideas combine creativity, activity, and family bonding in ways that are both simple and impactful. Whether your family loves scavenger hunts, craft time, or building imaginative worlds in blanket forts, these activities offer something for everyone. Now it's your turn. What rainy day activity will your family try first? Share your thoughts in the comments or let us know if you have a favourite screen-free activity we didn't cover. Who knows, you might inspire someone else. Remember, rainy days are full of opportunity. So grab the kids, ditch the screens, and create some unforgettable memories together.